Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use two video effects and also keyframes feature to create a panning effect on CapCut. So first, you just need to add your clip and then go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then select the rebound swing effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the speed and size to 40 and intensity 0. Click on the check icon and make sure that it applies to all of the clip. Now add another effect, still under the nightclub category. Add the play pendulum effect. Okay, adjust the intensity to 0, twist 20, and then speed 30. Lastly, sharpen 0. Now click on the check icon. And now you can just add keyframes to the clip and just move the clip in random direction. Okay, just move it randomly like this, and after that you are done. This will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Bye.